Happy Wednesday! It's Mrs. Ernst here today, and today we're going over your instructions for your assignment for Wednesday. All right, first of all, we have a video. You are going to watch the book Up in the Garden, and we have a link right here for you to click and watch that video. As you're watching the video, ask your kids the comprehension questions. These are the comprehension questions. You see them right here. Here's the questions. Here's possible responses from your children. When you're done, get on iStation Reading for 30 minutes. Please remember that's important. We have our goal every single week. All right, when you're done, you're going to review the word wall song. This was on Tuesday's assignments. Right here. It is also, once again, down here as a QR code. It's the same video you watched on Tuesday. Then you're going to watch a decodable reader with me, Mrs. Ernst, and we're going to read that book together. After that, we have art time with Mo Williams, and then we are going to jump into math. Now, you're going to continue playing math games and practicing. I suggest this one right here. It's a subtraction game to give you guys that extra practice on subtraction. Okay? Now, when you're done with that, please get on iStation Math for 30 minutes. And then we're going to jump into science. For science, you're going to watch a YouTube video and discuss and identify your geographic location, where you guys live, and the effects it has on the house you live, the clothes you wear, the food you eat. So all those things. Remember, Miss Carter has talked about in the past, she used to live in Minnesota, and it's very, very cold in Minnesota. It's not very cold in Texas. So how are those different? The weather affected the type of clothes that I wore. So you're going to have that discussion with your family, and then you're going to draw a picture of your area. So kind of what clothes you wear, what food you eat, what house you live in, that kind of stuff, okay? And here's a YouTube video to go over that with you guys. Please remember, all of this stuff is right here, scanners if you need it, brain breaks if you need them. I have got my contact information if you need me. But otherwise, you guys have a fabulous, wonderful Wednesday. Okay, bye.